Welcome to etvFutures.com. Today is Wednesday, October 24th. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Commodities Open. Crude oil rose for the first time in 4 days after the Energy Department reported that U.S. oil and gasoline inventories unexpectedly declined. The report showed crude oil supplies fell 5.29 million barrels to 316.6 million barrels last week. Crude oil is trading at $86.72 per barrel on the NYMEX. Meanwhile, natural gas is trading at $6.94 per million British thermal units. Gold fell for the second day this week after a gain in the value of the dollar reduced the appeal of the precious metal as an alternative investment. Gold is trading at $763 per ounce, and silver is trading at $13.585 an ounce. Today, we're joined by Paul Brittain from Alaron. He'll give his short-term outlook for the commodities market.
Good morning. This is Paul Brittain from Alaron Trading in Las Vegas, Nevada. All right, today in the crude oil markets, we saw crude oil prices soar over $1, actually almost $2, on the unexpected drop of reduction of 5.3 million barrels in supply. The expectations originally ranged anywhere from a million barrel increase to a million barrel decrease, depending on the source. So this caught a lot of the traders off guard. The market is currently up $1.22 basis January at 85.67. It was as high as 86.20. Unleaded inventories also showed a 2 million barrel decrease in supply, pushing unleaded prices up another 333 at 215.10. Distillate showed a 1.8 million barrel decrease, pushing heating oil up over 4 cents. Now, all of this excitement about the analysts missing their mark is also spread into the natural gas, pushing that higher as well, up $1.69 at 76.40. So it's pretty exciting in the crude oil and the energy markets with the prices up across the board. Now, in the metal markets, not too much going on. We see a pretty much lackluster day. Gold trading in a relatively quiet $6 range, down about $2.50 on the day at 76.70. Silver, a little bit more exciting, but still relatively quiet. Based on, now the metals are trading a little bit weaker based on the minor strength in the dollar. Silver is down 15 cents at about $13.50. All right, that's all we've got today for you, and thank you for coming.
That was Paul Brittain from Alaron. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again for another update right here on etvFutures.com. Have a great day.